Hey everybody, Tim from Alpha Wolf Trading coming at you. Just wanting to remind you that the Trade Ideas test drive promotion is coming to an end on Monday, August 29th. The cool thing is, though, they are running a promotion starting tomorrow um, through September 6th for you to be able to take 25% off either if you're upgrading to the premium or if you are starting a whole new subscription. So, pretty fantastic deal. Hopefully you did get to do the test drive and you got to check out some of the simulated trading and the odds maker window, artificial intelligence. Let's see what else do we have. Got the real time stock racing, which I happen to like quite a bit. I like that graphic interface. And, maybe you got an opportunity to check out their suggested entry and exit signals. So, lots of cool things there. And if you like the software, I'm all about saving a few bucks on anything, really. And so I think this is a great opportunity. Just want to remind you, you've got till September 6th to get that 25% discount. Listen, if you like what you see over with my interviews, do me a favor and sign up at the Alpha Wolf Trading YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. All right. Good luck to you all out there. I think the market is looking kind of interesting. You may see this ticker symbol behind me, SKYX. Keep an eye on that one. I think it's going to be a good long term investment play. Start doing some due diligence on that bad boy. All right. Okay. Good luck, and I'll see you soon.